Okay, I'm going to be teaching you how to connect your Widex hearing aids to your iPhone. So the first thing you want to do is find your settings app and open that up. And then you're going to want to make sure your hearing aids are turned on. And then you're going to go into the accessibility screen. And then you're going to scroll down and find hearing devices. This screen will pop up and it'll be searching for the hearing aids, and then it'll find them, and you're going to click the top thing. And 2 of these will show up, so you're going to hit pair for both of the hearing aids to be connected. And now your hearing aids are connected to your iPhone.